Hello guys, this is Caps HY and you know how we do it. Ocean for more wakwaba. Nancy I'm supposed to put and maybe say more person me videos about free mobile browsing and I say free data and I say more person me more videos about apps that can pay you. Now the thing say if I don't know choose apps that can pay you, we should vote na sana vote na hey, let's just Ghana be here's guy. Anyway, let's get into it. Please subscribe but more than subscribe. And I feel so over like you know what share video. The video no copy CBC. Cause watch the video no man see app chronic and I maybe obenya app na download. Say we Play Store and any Play Store so it's a very important say with me either. I share video na go see. And as of so you can just skip to the part while we're interested. Without wasting my time, let's get into it.
So be app na say ni be fair interface na pa. Share sro honoma omo coins app no coins we app no coins no na conversion so na da hono another scan wo hono so mom your wallet no in US dollars and afi so otu wani be hwe from ho a main button mfimfini na home page no ana nche hono icon na plus town no eno no ye invite button ana mo wallet ana afi so no so tu wani be hwe other side hono ma aha I offer an office so no ya wo me and I say account enti so share interviews na sinicity e ludu na video number na yanhwe invitation column ho ne yanhwe de ho na invitation column sinity obi invitation na obetimi akope link na no ahia ma oda fofo na say invite nipa ba ko a nipa na wa invite no omo betua wo omemama wo sika 10% off sika nipa no mom ebe withdraw sika obenya no or withdraw omema wo 10% of that money and afi so nipa no sa withdraw nipa no I will invite no ono so no omo be che no 0.02 US dollars sana invitation column no esitie enti o hwe friends ne copy link na ne share ne da ho na obetima boso na wa share ama wona mo for mo am person mo de invitation column hano making money no sana no tie na se o hwe offer tap na obo ho no ma ho obetimi aye research na omama wo nyema omama sponsor and aso mo research office no ebi bit labs and afi so betimi aye den abo games games list ho no edoso betima abo give numbers games ni bi games to doso na wo de nya coins ti game chrono ya chiro game ani achiro coins da ho agba obenya o hwe game aba compete we ya give bed we ya menya 2000 coins game ni coins no sanity now yambo wallet no so ne hwe cause sika ni nti ne ba ha now obo wallet no so a seni bi o hwe so ho na obehu balance ho nti o balance no o be chiro sika no game no coins no ene wase no 10,000 bia is equal to 0.01 US dollars. Inti I don't know that see and usika wenya nkasa wa wallet no eno so ne da so boy eno de menya is 0.35 US dollars eno ne da hono ana ohwe ase hono mamu proof of payment hono eno no ye de ko for cash out na je say hono cash out bia be ye no na o matwere beto and then if say user account name ni ade na matwere beto no na ye hwe providers no one thing na manage app we hu say providers no doso nti uni wallet we bet match so wallet we o hwe han ma yo pay account ho no G cash ho no true money ho dana so ho no pack bank ho no Coinbase ho Litecoin so ho no nti ni opbia na o hede o dia fa say o channel hanoma na oni pay account me video way about pay account with my boss na akohwe pay account how to create it and very simple and no obetim dey no withdrawals very simple bre. All right, na provider bia so wono minimum amount threshold obetimi sika no wo hwe PayPal say ne dey no ye 1.04 US dollars and payment cash out no it take 3 days. Which can be see 0.35 and no instant cash out pay so 0.35 sa and say instant cash out. Any other payments so on. For the sake of the video, be use a Coinbase account no. Na ya instant cash out no near who is coming by na say emba. One thing with this no say minimum cash out no for ma and no ye kama. Fi say no o ya wo betima you coins bi say ya na wa try hwe. Say o sabe kasikana and no say kasikana no say o say ye fofra no say o say wo mre no wa yen yeah then no say no any. Alright, inti young kona mention se metima yi be me coins kakra bi a ewo mu ya. But before that no young kona me ko video page no main page on me ko hwe video ba kom yi no bi nka ho na me nya coins ne kakra bi nka ho na me bra mbe inti ma member page no so icon kese ne da se on na me load videos be na me nkyere mo how a video no den wo hwa ICT na oba home page wona wo hwe video na very simple. You can say watch video na no swipe it. Watch no swipe it. Say they watch TikTok videos na. Sane city watch design company button say like ni we na won chain. Until swipe ya now say 50 coins ni bia account. Watch course so swipe ya ni bia account. That swipe ya ni bia account. And this type of games also very easy because you don't need to watch the thing fully. When you can watch videos in na swipe ya account. I mean swipe we anyway. Once you back account, sabe pepe. Inti sana video no the credit. Now one thing I found about this app ne say we share adder and I say they that one no quick reward no and no uboy no so na share omo coins be bre omo ti ma be 1,000 4,000. Yes and no yes me 50 no. Inti say bia wo share in the middle of the video no ultimately ad ba so who ad na hwe ad no cause ad no e ma coins bebre esene videos we no man 50 na ad no kwampo de ndi unpredictable it's more 1,400 6,000 anti my advice so say we yes can enter now withdraw like we fancy be we didn't there also share more ads no so share more ads I no be ma coins bebre afi yenko ye wallet na me nkonko ye me drawer na yenhwe se me sabe kasikana na se me san kasikana na withdraw no obe withdraw oboso a na se o minimum amount in drawer enti select we see you san select or se me enough balance is se me enough balance my account anyway they meet me I withdraw fa no and na me select ya na amake no ti me use Coinbase now me select Coinbase okay select here mebo me crypto email no achesoro na fe de mabo amount a me pese me yedin me withdraw no so ahye form enti me crypto email no mabo ahye ho no ana fe amount no so na mabo ahye ho no mabo 0.35 US dollars na sure now member confirm okay member confirm mama greet me add mama share add we and now that my share add na we member confirm about confirm also withdraw details and I correct confirm beam and loading. Okay, I will. Okay, for I'm happy to say my receive sikano sikano neda hono email no and I'm the channel once I give you limited just send you this amount of US dollars in my Coinbase account and one on just say app we juma and to take advantage of this opportunity na mo try some make some couple of US dollars be na mo fa ento mo wallet mo na mo fa nche mo ho abushia for na me kan say app ni dindi give you short say ana identity ana say na icon tie Play Store hwe na ko download a different app so when you video ho a no about like button no so subscribe yes so no subscribe no comment se memfa content be say so entambra na wakana se hono I'll be glad to reply you back. Medamase.